You guys are about to see something really cool today. I'm going to build you a free local business sales page and marketing kit built with AI in 5 minutes. All right, if you run a business or you've ever wanted to, stop scrolling for the next 30 seconds because I'm about to hand you something for free that most people would charge hundreds for. I built a complete local business sales page, a professional lead magnet, PDF, and all the marketing materials you need to actually promote it. Emails, social posts, ads, all done, all editable, and ready for you to make your own. You don't need to know the code. You don't need to hire anyone, and you can customize this for literally any niche. Fitness, restaurants, real estate, it's all here. There's a download link in the description. Grab it, edit it, upload it, and you got yourself a professional sales page and a marketing kit in minutes. And I'm not talking about some weak template. This thing looks like you paid an agency to build it. With that being said, let's jump in and I'll show you what's inside. And you're also going to get a cool calculator as well built into this. So what we're going to do here, I have a prompt that I pasted into Deep Agent. If you're not familiar with what Deep Agent is, most people aren't. It is similar to, I guess you could say it's ChatGPT basically on steroids, or if you're familiar with Manus, it's the American version of Manus. It's an AI agent that's going to create all this for us. So you give it a really good prompt. You copy the prompt. You go on over to, let me show you here real quick. We're going to go over to Deep Agent, and this is it working right here. I'm going to open up a different window because I didn't want you guys sitting here waiting for this to build out. So I have it started already. So I can show you it working, show you what it's going to create, and then how you can access this at the end. And we're going to go over to, this is Deep Agent right here. You just click go to Deep Agent. This is the different LLMs or large language models, AIs, GPT-5, GPT-5 Thinking High, Claude Sonnet 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini 2.5 Flash, Grok 4, Claude Sonnet. You got basically all the large language models. DeepSeek, Perplexity Pro. I even built funnel bots for my website, which I can show you if I remember in this video later what I built using this. But if you want to check out Deep Agent, there's going to be a link directly below as well. A link for my 20 free AI marketing tools. Make sure you get a hold of those. They're awesome. They'll really help out you and your business. And they're free, and you're getting a bunch of cool ones. I'll show you that as well at the end of the video. But all the links are going to be directly below. But, yeah, Deep Agent, I have a whole video that covers it. It's based out of San Francisco and Silicon Valley in the USA. So I read some good reviews about them, and then I decided since they're a US-based company, I'm from the US, I went with a US-based company. And I like them. They're pretty similar to Manus, and does pretty much the same thing, and they're US based. So I like them a lot. If you want to check them out, like I said, it's like $10 and you get 10,000 credits. And I have a whole video that walks you over that, but it's not very expensive, and it gives you very high quality work. So let's head back over here. We're going to see what's going on here. So I pasted the prompt, which is right here. Deep Agent Master Prompt, Local Business Lead Magnet, and Editable Sales Page Kit. Roll. You are a professional web designer, and you can see it working over here, which is cool. It's building everything out right now. Look how cool that is on the right. How cool is this? So you see it's building it right before your eyes. You are a professional web designer, direct response copywriter, and marketing strategist tasked with creating a complete, editable, local business landing page and marketing kit for my YouTube audience. This kit must blow people away with its quality and usefulness and must be fully branded, obviously for my website and affiliate offers. And like I said, you can edit it to your own liking. It's got to be fully editable, HTML sales page with comments, guiding where to edit text, images, colors, etc. Professional lead magnet PDF that matches the page and includes my branding, links, and call to action to my offers. A set of ready-to-use marketing materials, emails, Facebook, Instagram, ad copy, and social posts that promote the page or offer. A set of prompts that allow viewers to easily customize everything for their own business or niche. So if you see something that says like instant sales funnels and when you download this, You could take that right out. It's not a big deal. A clear delivery method and brand it with your own business, affiliate offers, whatever you want to use it for. A clear delivery method so people can download everything from my YouTube video description. Here's all the instructions. And this, I give you I don't want to go through all of this, but it's a rather long prompt. And that's what this is building out right here, as you can see on the right. How cool is that? So you can see it actually working, thinking what it's doing. And then it asked me questions. I answered like 4 different questions to make sure it's exactly who I want it. And it's building it out right now, as you can see on the right. Only thing it's got wrong, I can see the date here, but that's not a big deal. And we're going to, it says creating local business landing page and marketing kit in progress. Searching modern fitness gym interior. Searching tells you what it's doing. Searching personal trainer working with clients. Searching group fitness class. Because what we're doing is this is going to be a fitness. It's going to be about a gym, but obviously you can edit it to any business, anything. That's what this is going to do. But you got to have a placeholder, and that's what the placeholder is. Searching happy fit people, and then it's already built the index to look like it's written. As you can see here's a PDF it's working on now, updating. You can kind of watch along as it's building this out. So we're going to sit here for a minute, let this build out, and I'm going to show you what it builds. One thing I want to go into is this is super easy. We're going to come back to this, let this build out for a second. It shouldn't take too much longer. And I want to show you something. This prompt I pasted into Deep Agent, like I just showed you. All you got to do is copy and paste it. You can do this for anything. Sales pages. So you can go on over to ChatGPT 5. This is what I like using ChatGPT 5 for a lot. Because if you train it, it writes in your voice. And it's going to write in your voice. It's going to be more human-like. It's going to sound more human. And then you can create the perfect prompt. And then take that prompt, like for a sales page. You can go over to Deep Agent and create something really, awesome, spectacular. That's going to create a lot better than what ChatGPT 5 can do at the present moment. It does have agent mode. It is really good. I just made a video on that. It is good. I like to use ChatGPT 5. Agent mode, as you can see right here. I used them all, but this is it right here. I'm on the Plus plan. You only get a certain amount of credits, and it renews September 3rd. You got deep research, create image. But when you have access to that, it does do a good job. If it's something like smaller, like something simple, I do it on ChatGPT 5, the agent mode. If it's something complex, you need done really good and real well, I'd use Deep Agent or Manus, something like that, an actual Deep Agent to do it because it's going to do a better job. So my point is you can use ChatGPT 5 to write any prompt for a sales page. Come on over, an app, whatever it may be, and then you're going to go over to Deep Agent and paste it in there, and it's going to be the same thing. Philosophy is what I'm doing here. So let's see here where we're at. Congratulations, your local business landing page and marketing kit is complete. What we've created. Professional landing page with parallax effects and smooth animations, high converting layout with hero section, benefits, testimonials, pricing, and contact. Professional color scheme with bright orange call to actions and clean styling. All images working perfectly from professional fitness sources. SEO optimized and fast loading. And like I said, you can edit this to any niche. So keep that in mind. Complete marketing materials. You got email sequences, 3 Facebook ads. You can use them for Twitter, whatever, any social media. Instagram content, Twitter posts, comprehensive PDF guide, 50 plus pages. Holy crap, it's a big one. It's going to tell you how to use this, step-by-step instructions for any industry, for how to customize this. Part 2, proven local marketing strategies with real case studies. Industry examples, restaurant, salon, professional service, adaptions. Analytics setup, how to track and measure success. AI customization system. There's 10 copy-paste ChatGPT prompts to adapt the entire kit for any industry. That's very useful. So we could take what you have here and turn it into a plumbing business, your own personal agency, uh, any type of business it could turn it into. That's what these prompts are going to do. Generate unlimited variations without starting from scratch. Industry-specific content in minutes instead of hours. Professional results, even without marketing experience. And here's all the different content. It's got agency quality design, professional layout that converts visitors to customers, mobile optimized, perfect on all devices, phone, tablet, desktop. Industry agnostic, works for any local business with AI prompts. It's conversion focused, every element designed to generate leads and sales. Easy customization, no coding, knowledge required. Landing page plus marketing plus strategy guide. So you're getting all that. Proven psychology, ready to use for fitness, studios and gym, restaurants and cafes, salons and spas, professional services, health and wellness, any local business. And it says expected results. And it tells you where to download everything. And it gives you the links right here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to view all files in this task. And hopefully this works properly right now. And this is going to be it right here. Actually, let's come back to this. I want to see what this looks like. See if they got a preview. It's not going to show me right here. I don't want to mess this up. Give me a preview of the sales page. I know there's a button you got to hit. I don't want to mess this up when I'm doing a video here, so I'm playing it safe by saying give me a preview of the sales page so you guys can see what you're actually going to be getting. And then we'll actually go into the files. Looks like it's giving me, I mean, it tells you how many credits you use. It's not. Let's see here. We're going to click open file, go in here. Here's a PDF content, index, market, and that's your whole file right here. Look how cool this is. Pretty awesome. And this is just for the file here. Everybody, if you're watching this, this is going to look 10 times better when this is put onto an actual website. But this is it right here. It's going to have your contact info, the year. You can brand it here. Quick links. Pictures. Location ready to get started. Reviews from real people, state-of-the-art equipment. And this is, like I said, this is really good. So this is just a preview. So this is going to be completely editable, and it's going to look different. Everything's going to look a lot better. This looks pretty good for a file, but it's going to look a lot better when it's turned into a website. So that's what you get there. We're going to go back here. And we're going to try the next one. And we're going to go to marketing materials. You got email sequences, social media, and here it is right here. You got ready to go emails. I'm going to show you how to make better emails in a second, but these are all ready to go right away. And then we're going to show you one more thing, and then we're going to move on here. Let's try this one more time. Whoops, click the button. Index, we did that one. That was the actual site. Marketing materials, there's a PDF content and the prompts. Let's go to the PDF. Let's see what that looks like here. And here you go. It built you a PDF too. How cool is this? 13 pages too. This tells you how to customize it. Getting started with your kit. It's going to give you directions how to use this. Customizing the landing page. This is pretty, look how good this is. So you got a quick, easy to read PDF that's set up perfectly. That's going to tell you how to edit everything. Very easy. And then we're going to go into the prompts real quick. Let's open this back up again. Click on prompts. And here we go. We're going to click open file. It says replace the text in brackets with your specific information before using the prompt. So what you're going to do is basically just copy and paste this into ChatGPT or Deep Agent, Manus, whatever it may be with your information. Generate a landing page content for different industries. I need you to adapt this fitness studio landing page, which is the content I just showed you, and then you're going to put your industry type. Here are the details: business name, business type, and you got placeholders for everything. This will literally take you a few minutes. And then you just fill out the placeholders, and it's going to build it for you in literally seconds. In a few minutes. I don't want to get carried away with seconds, but it's quick. Prompt 2, the same thing. So whatever prompt you want to use, there's 4 different prompts. There's different prompts for different, for the social media content, for the PDF, for everything. So you're going to have prompts for everything. As you can see, they did a really good job with this. So you're going to get all this for free, everyone. This is awesome and highly useful. And you're going to be able to check this out for yourself, like I said, in the video description box below. And what I'm going to do now is we're going to go over to my site. And this is instantsalesfunnels.com. Get your free storytelling email generator to instantly create high converting emails for free in seconds, where you can build a storytelling email funnel in seconds. You fill out 3 quick fields. Watch, I'm going to show you how cool this is. What are you promoting? I am promoting the hot ClickBank bestseller Mitolin weight loss supplement. Keep it brief. The more details you put in here, the better your result. Product or offer link. Put a placeholder here. I hit email goal to educate, inform, and drive clicks to educate, entertain. We're going to put entertain here. And drive clicks to Mitolin. Now, when you get done with this third box here, this is a placeholder. You can put anything in here, your real link, a placeholder link, but it has to be filled out. Email goals, make sure you fill out these 2 boxes. Be specific with what you're filling out because it'll get you a lot better results. And here it is. And then once you're done with the third box, you don't even have to click that button here. You just left click outside of it, and it's going to create the email. And if you're another thing, if you want to change something up, it's already created it. All you got to do is come on over here, edit it, and it's going to update your email live. So the secret weight loss hack that's changing lives, and it's not what you think. Let me tell you, hey there, let me tell you a story. Imagine a world where you can wake up each morning feeling light, energized, and ready to conquer the day. You look in the mirror and see a version of yourself that you've only dreamed of. You're not just losing weight, you're shedding the baggage of self-doubt and insecurity. That world is closer than you think. And it all starts with a little-known secret that has taken the weight loss industry by storm. It's called Mitolin, a ClickBank bestseller. Now you wouldn't want to put that in there. You just put Mitolin. It's called Mitolin. ClickBank bestseller has now been flying off the shelves faster than hotcakes on a Sunday morning. Now I know what you're thinking: another weight loss supplement, really? But hear me out. This isn't just another pill to add to your collection of failed diet attempts. Mitolin is a game changer. Picture this: you're at a family gathering and everyone's chowing down on the usual feast. You take a deep breath, feeling the familiar pangs of temptation. But instead of caving in, you reach for your trusty bottle of Mitolin. Within minutes, you feel a surge of energy and focus. Your cravings start to fade, and you're able to enjoy the festivities without feeling like a prisoner to your appetite. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. But what's the magic behind Mitolin? It's all about harnessing the powers of your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouse in your cells that convert food into energy. Mitolin supercharges these little engines, helping you burn fat like never before. And it goes on. But this is creating, and it's got your link in here. So all you got to do is copy and paste it, put in your favorite autoresponder, you're good to go. This can write emails better than you, can write emails better than me. It's built in with a master prompt. So you're going to get very good output. from some of the world's best copywriters on the planet. It's based around like kind of like how they write, mimicking their writing patterns. So you're going to get really good output, as you can see from this. And what you're going to do is just go here. And if you, like I said, you need to edit anything or change anything up, it's going to edit in real time. So you don't got to worry about refreshing the page and all that. There is a refresh button at the bottom where it says build new email. You can click that. But awesome tool. If you go over to my AI Toolkit Vault, you're going to get that tool. That's free access on my site. You're going to get all these tools right here. As you can look on the screen, ChatGPT prompt generator, Google VO3 prompt generator, video script generator, sales script generator, AI hook generator, affiliate program finder. This is really cool. Saves you a lot of time. Market research tool. So you got all these you're going to get for free. Links below. Let me know where to send them. So, yeah, that's that. So we're going to end this video by going back to, this is Deep Agent, like I said. You want to check this out for yourself. You want to grab all the freebies I just showed you. I'm going to host these on my site. So what you're going to have to do is click the link in the video description below, and you're going to get the PDF. You're going to get the sales page. You're going to get all the marketing material and everything else that I covered in the video. Absolutely free. So check them out. I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you want to check out like Deep Agent, that link will be down there as well. This is my favorite AI agent I use so far between Deep Agent and Manus. And I picked Deep Agent just because it's USA based, but that's just my bias. Manus does a pretty good job as well, but they're both good products. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.